So in this video, we're going to make a game where you can pop the balloons. So I've added a balloon and I've made it size 20. So what I want to happen is when the green flag is clicked, I want that balloon just to move around the place. So to do that, I'm going to use a forever loop. In that, I'm going to use move 10 steps, so it just moves by itself, and if it's on the edge, bounce. I mean, that's the most simple kind of version, and that's what it does. It's moving a bit fast in my opinion, so maybe let's make it 6. What I want to happen as well in this game is I don't want it to be there all the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get it to appear. So I'm going to go to looks. So at the very beginning of the game, I'm going to get it to hide. And then I'm going to get it to wait a random amount of time. So here I need an event and I need to wait. So what I want to do, I want it to wait a random amount of time, which is under here. I'm going to pick random, let's say 1 to 5 seconds. Then I want it to show. So go to looks. Go to, okay, it says press stop. We'll start it. And there we go, it moves around. Okay, the other thing I want to happen is if I touch it, I want it to disappear. So with this one, we're going to use an if, and I've added my video sensing block on here. So I have this one, if video motion on the sprite. Okay, what I need is, it's kind of similar to this, when the video motion is greater than 10, so we need an if statement here. And we need the greater than. So we've got my if, I want to plug that in. As you can see, the shape of it doesn't match the shape of this, so I need maths, and I'm going to say greater than, so pick that one up. So I'm going to say if the video motion on this sprite is greater than 50, so that's how much motion there is. Like I could just do it that if there's a little bit of motion, nothing will happen. So you can play around with this figure. So this goes in the forever loop. So if there is video motion on the sprite, I want it to hide. So let's go looks, hide. And we're going to see a problem here. So when it hides, and I'm hoping you'll be able to see this, it's gone. Okay, so what we need to do is we are going to put a hide in there. I then wanted to wait a random amount of time again. I mean, you could right click and duplicate, but it will do all the code. So I'm actually just going to drag it out. So put a wait. Again, we'll use random. I think I'll probably say 1 to 5 seconds again before it reappears. Still, this won't work yet. It still hides because it's in this forever loop here. So what I need to do is I need to have a show in there. So we go to looks again, grab a show, pop it in there, and hides. Okay, so then what I would do is I would duplicate this, put a few other balloons on there. I mean, you can just do right click duplicate, and you can add a scoring system. And if I stop and start it. Okay, and I mean, you can make the game harder by maybe moving back, you know, get the person to stretch a little bit more. You could add different color balloons that are worth different amounts. Okay, good luck with it.